Hey guys, welcome back to Bihar Geeks. I hope you are doing amazing. In today's episode, we are going to solve a very exciting problem called container with most water. Okay, this is a problem is a classic problem that often asked in coding interview. We will solve it using two pointer approach. Okay, so let's get started. So the problem statements goes like this: given an array height where each element represent the height of a vertical line drawn at that index. Okay, we need to find two lines that can be together with x-axis contain the most water. Okay, to summarize, we are looking for a two indexes I and j. Okay, I and j such that the container formed by two lines hold the maximum water. As you see that from here to here, it is holding a maximum water. Okay, yes, the water level is determined by the shorter of the two lines. Okay, so as I already told you that we will solving this problem using two pointer approach. Why? Because it's efficient. Because why? Because instead of checking all the possible pair of line, it will take like O of n square. Okay, so when we cleverly use this two pointer approach, it will bring the time complexity to the O of n. Okay, so the step we are going to follow here, it I have divided into the 5 steps. First step will be place one pointer at the beginning that we called as a left, and another will be the right. Okay, that will be at the end of the array that we call it as a right. Okay, second step will be the calculate the water area formed by the line at these two pointer. Okay, and the third step will be we will move that pointer to the shorter line inward because that's the bottleneck. Okay, the idea is to be potentially find the taller line to increase the area. Fine. And the fourth step will be keep track of the maximum area encountered, and last will be we will repeat it until two pointer meets. Fine. So we will start with the step one. Okay, first we will define our left and right. Int left equal to 0 initially, and int right will be the height of the array, length of the array. So height dot h length minus 1. Fine. So it will be the end of the pointer. Fine. And this will be the starting of the pointer. Next we will move for the maximum area. Int max area equal to 0. So this variable basically used to store the maximum area. Fine. Now we will need a loop here, and we will put a condition left right will be always greater till that, and it will run the loop. Here what we have to do, we have to calculate the current area. Okay, so we will place a variable int width equal to be right minus left. From here we will get the width of the area. Now int current area, we have to calculate current area, that will equal to math dot min. Here we will pass the height, and here I will pass left. Okay, comma right, copy, comma here, it right, and that will be multiplied by the width which I have calculated at the step 8, line number 8, sorry. Fine. Now we have to move. Now what we have to do, we have to update the maximum area if current area is larger. Okay, so our next step will be max area equal to math dot max, and inside that what we have to pass, first we have to pass that the current will be maybe max, right? And second will be the current area which we have right now calculated it, so we have to pass it here, right? Now what we have to do, we have to move the pointer pointing to the shorter line, fine. So for that what we have to do, we have to put a condition if IGHT height of the left is greater than the height of right. So in that case what we are going to do, we are going to do left plus plus, right? Else what we have to do, right minus minus. Alright, GHT, right minus minus. Okay, and when everything is fine, while is ending here. Okay, so what we have to do, we get the maximum area. So we just simply return the max area from here. Okay, fine. Okay, let me run this. Okay, what is so LENGTH? Let me run again. Okay, it's got accepted. Hmm? Let me submit this. Mm, okay, it's got submitted also. So if we analyze the complexity of the solution, so if we talking about the time complexity, since we are moving the two pointer in the opposite ends, so on the traversing the array once, okay, once only. So the complexity, time complexity is O of n in that case, and the space complexity, if we're talking about, we are not using any extra space here. So and we have few variables only, so the the space complexity is of one only. Okay, that's why we are using this approach. And that's it for today. We have covered this using the two pointer approach. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Biharix and hit that notification bell so you never miss any update. Let me know in the comment which problem you want me to solve next. Until then, happy coding and keep amazing things, and see you in the next time. Bye bye.